Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay.
And the slides are also visible.
Okay. Sir, PPT is visible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Presentation is visible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. We'll after 5 minutes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. ভিডিওটা কিন্তু বন্ধ হতে পারে। ভিডিওটা কিন্তু বন্ধ হতে পারে। এটা যদি এটা যান
Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us, sir. Okay, sir. So sir, I just want to take your permission to introduce you, sir, right now.
Okay. So can we start?
No, sir. I introduce you, sir, after you start your presentation. Sir.
So good morning.
You-
Good morning, all of you. So myself,
Yeah.
can you hear me? Hello.
Okay, sir. So very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the ninth session of the workshop titled Recent Trends in Electric Vehicle. Today, we have among us Dr. A.K. Parida from Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology. Dr. A.K. Parida completed his PhD from Jadavpur University, Kolkata, under the able guidance of Professor Debashish Chatterjee. His area of expertise are speed sensorless vector control of DFIG, hybrid generation, electric drives, and energy management, smart grid, and distributed generation. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Professor A.K. Parida from Nerist, Arunachal Pradesh. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Chatterjee. So,
Thank you.
good morning, everyone. So, myself, Dr. A.K. Parida, as Professor Dr. Chatterjee has introduced. So, in the 3 days workshop, so FDP, so you have seen the many technological innovations and you have participated. So regarding electric vehicles, so in this presentation, I will discuss the technology at the end. At the beginning, so I will present you so different aspects and the significance of the vehicles and how this electric vehicles is climate change and other issues. And for your information, so this is a very sensitive technology. It is not like the technology of renewable energy or any other technological development. Okay. So after this World War II, this is a something very, very sensitive. Okay. Concept the climate change, starting from the climatic change. Okay. And
Aditya sir. Hello. Sir, the voice is breaking actually. Uh, there is some internet issues. Okay, to all the participants, there is some internet issues in Nest, I feel. So that's why the voice is breaking. The voice is breaking here also. It's not problem on your end. Here also the voice is breaking. Hello? Aida sir, can you hear me? Okay. Really? No, no. Now the voice
so
is coming.
when uh, uh, concentration of high concentration of this poisonous gases, the world, so was means concentrated on development of the electric vehicles. But this electric vehicles is not only responsible for this life-destroying gas concentrations in world city. There was means this is partial electric vehicle, IC engine, your vehicle. It was partially the partial effect on the your climate change, but the major contributors were the industrial and vehicle manufacturing industries.
Sir, Aida sir, sorry to interrupt you, sir.
The
Hello?
world has, sir.
The voice is not coming, sir. Actually, the voice is breaking a lot, sir. Hello? So the voice is breaking a lot, sir, actually.
Problem.
Yes, sir. There is some internet issue, I feel, sir.
Can you
On
hear
Nedist, I
actually
feel, because
maybe due to network problem?
yes, sir.
No,
Sir,
I'm using
I am.
some private yeah, that is your Geo dongle.
Oh, that's why. That's why, na, sir.
Can you hear me
So,
now?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh, Sir, can you rejoin again? I feel after
Actually,
rejoining, I feel the
there is
problem will be.
uh,
Yes, now also the voice
can
is
I
breaking
rejoin?
actually, sir. The yes, sir, because the PPT is visible, sir. But the only
Can
problem
I
is the voice.
rejoin?
And sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I am calling you. I am calling you.
Can you hear me or I will rejoin?
Yes, sir. Can you rejoin, sir? Rejoin, sir. Rejoin again, sir. Rejoin again, sir. Okay, sir. Hey,
Uh, वीडियो ऑफ कर देना। हाँ, ठीक है।
Okay, Sarah's called me just right now, and he has said that he's having some internet issues and he's trying to solve it right. Okay, so it might take 2 or 3 minutes more to rejoin. Okay, so please bear with us. That's the news of now. Okay, thank you then. sir has not joined yet, but I'll have to call him once. Yes, I will, I will join within 5 minutes. Okay, within 5 minutes only. He's having some network issue, then his laptop is also not working properly, so that's why this problem has occurred. Otherwise, I could have joined earlier. I joined on time, but there was some network issues and all these things happens in FTP.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Visible, sir. The slide is visible, sir.
Audio?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
it
audio is also
audible?
coming, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now we are sorry for interpretation. So it was air pollution, which compared the think tanks, okay, to for these electric vehicles, the idea of electric vehicles. Then, but it was partially true, but there was a geopolitical issue when the researchers has tried to develop the electric vehicles, because this IC engine was very well grown technology, and one of the legislator in California in 1970, so he brought this idea to the US Congress. So then what happens? It becomes a nightmare for the oil supplying countries, particularly the Gulf countries. They have tried to force the scientific society not to develop these electric vehicles, and they have tried to pressurize through rewriting contracts, demanding bigger costs, rising prices of oil, and they forcefully nationalize the Western oil companies operating from their soil. So that's why I have told you that this is a very sensitive technology. We must have a little idea about technology before discussing the technical issues. Now, when the oil crisis hit, the interest in the electric cars had been reviewed by the smog plug. Okay, so the problem was that no battery technology at that point of time was available. People have thought of electric vehicles, so electric vehicles have okay, they have designed only for short running. So there are no battery technology available in 70s. Then there come generation batteries, but some of the batteries available at that time in the second generation could dump electrons quickly for of the power, because you high static and there means the condition also. So you need high torque. So for that, has to dump the electrons quickly, so then it becomes useless. Okay. So there was many other issues. So then these things was for means sustained for 20 years. In 90s, then Western countries has utilized this technique applied by the Gulf countries, okay, to control oil and increase the oil price. After research was going on regarding your good quality battery and okay, so they were confident about bringing a means a high standard electric vehicles. So then they have pressurized the okay, these Gulf countries, the oil supplying countries, to regulate the oil prices. So will come to the main components of electric vehicles. So obviously it will be the motor, and motor, the best suitable one is the DC series motor, or the moderate means one is the Bros AC motor, magnet synchronous machines, and field oriented controlled induction machines, which is the robust one. Then the sensitive option, costly sensitive means component of electric vehicle is the battery, and that battery must be lithium ion type, which will give you a good durability, and it can store more energy within a compact means space. So that's why this is most sensitive part of the electric vehicles, that is battery. So regarding the hydrogen fuel, I will tell you later on. So what is the importance of means why this hydrogen fuel cell is so significant? But battery, okay. Then battery management system, obviously. So then that means regarding how efficiently you can operate, okay, utilize the battery for these machines, which is means providing the wheel power. Then control units. So Franklin performed his means legendary experiment and determined that electricity generated by the friction, this is known to everyone. So how the electricity and the battery technology has been developed by this Lungi Galvani and Professor Volta. Okay, so all the things. This is the development of the battery cycles. Then have developed the technology for the battery. Then lithium was the main, iron is okay. Lithium was the main requirement. Okay, in the electric vehicle, most significant component is the battery. Then in the battery, lithium was the most precious material. Then a central battle in the lithium war begins in early 90s. After Gooden left the Oxford University, Professor Gooden has left the Oxford University and joined in the Texas University, and Sony's commercialization, Sony, that company, commercialization of lithium ion battery has concerned, okay, cemented the Gooden reputation as the leader of his. Okay, so these are not very simple issues. The whole world was running behind this lithium ion batteries, and for that they need the lithium, okay, and which is very rare, okay, means in the world at that point of time in early 90s. Then in 2008, General Motors was setting a records for speed of gas in an attempt to bring the lithium battery. You see, so how it is, why it is sensitive. Okay, many software means legendaries, means Silicon Valley legendaries. Many your motor companies, they all have burned their means money, okay, to acquire the technology of lithium ion battery, and to develop the charging means centers, okay, and to acquire the lithium your mines. Okay, so there was a means war, okay, or we can say to acquire the lithium. Okay, on March 19 of this year, Okay, we this mission to electric technical center Edison and declare a goal of 1 million electric cars by 2050. So we may be thinking that it is just to regulate the climate change. No, what was in his mind that just to regulate the oil price in the oil supply countries. But official statement to means regulate the climatic change to means to address the climatic change issues. But the means diplomacy was to regulate the oil prices, because once you see I think will be replaced with electric vehicles. So there will be a means we can say for the that is the diplomacy of Edison in 2000. Then state government around the world once US and worldwide electric vehicles electrifications in 2010. So this is a very burning topic. Electric is a burning topic for the ground. This the society will to the means energy to work in field. With from is looking at to adjust electric vehicle. So has invested to take the technology lithium tree and to bring into the commercial means now the can be stimulus. Well, before the Obama administration thought about this electric vehicles and equity. Okay? Japanese actually MPR. Okay. Then people ask,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Is my voice audible, sir? I'm calling, sir. Okay. All the participants, I am again calling, sir. Sir is having some terrible network issues right now, actually. That's why, means from my side also, I can't do anything. सर ये वॉइस एकदम नहीं आ रहा है सर, वॉइस बहुत ज्यादा ब्रेक कर रहा है अभी सर। ओके सर, ओके सर, ओके सर, ओके सर, ओके 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 ओके, ठीक है सर, ठीक है सर, यस सर, यस सर, यस सर, यस सर। सर ये हाँ सर, ये हो सके तो सर, सर मैं पीपीटी को शेयर कर देता हूँ, आप पीपीटी को मेरे को सेंड कर दीजिए, ठीक है सर। मैं हाँ सर, तो हम मैं सर उसको शेयर कर देता हूँ और आप उसको बोल दीजिए, ठीक है सर, ठीक है सर, शायद इसमें थोड़ा सा इजी होगा सर। ओके, ओके सर, ओके सर, ओके सर, ओके। to all the participants. Hello, to all the participants. Actually, yes, Sir is having some network issue. I don't know whether the problem exists in my end also or not. Is my voice audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. आपको audible है.
Mine is clear, na? Okay.
Oh,
Actually,
yes,
there is some problem in Ferist actually, so that's why.
Can
Yes.
you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, pardon. Sir. Yes, sir.
Initially audible, but
It is
after that becomes very intermittent and voice is breaking a lot. That's the problem. We can't understand what is speaking.
So PPT is visible?
Yes, sir. PPT is okay, sir. PPT is okay. Only the problem is with the voice, actually, sir.
So I'm sharing PPT with you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. You just send it. The PPT is okay, actually. The PPT is the slides are clearly
No.
visible, sir. But the problem is with only the voice,
Okay,
actually, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Can I continue? Can I continue and
Sir,
I
yes, sir.
will
You can, sir. You can, sir. You can,
I
sir.
mean refresh.
Yes, sir. You can come.
You go to
Continue, sir.
the
You can
this
come.
one if whatever is audible, so you just listen and again I will return back to the beginning and the 5 minutes uh, revision. Then Silicon Valley veterans seem to be the most optimistic forecasters of battery cost. Always they, instead of talking about the software related issues, they started discussing what should be the cost of the battery lithium ion batteries, okay, manufactured by this means company, that company, okay. They have started gambling with the by burning huge amounts, okay, in this battery race. Then as the battery boom began, concern about the availability of the significant quantities raised entirely new set of questions, okay, in front of the world leaders. Okay. So how to where the lithium significant quantities for their battery manufacturing units. So then start the degradation or motivation for development of technology or designing of technology for technique. Western and China political business they keep electric technology and sophisticated as we are finding today with a reference to technology. Technology that okay, minds, okay, and they start gambling with the okay, this lithium and the electric technology. Up to almost all major lithium pit all over the world, particularly in the poor African countries. Well before the lithium war was began, when the Western countries were unaware about the gravity of the situation. World War III, according to some philosophers, those who are thinking about these electric vehicles, they said that World War III in the 21st century, okay, may not be for water, as sociologists and environmentalists there and those who are working in climatic change, they think. The third World War will be for the water or oil. So it is not like that. Those who are those who means philosophers who knows the sensitivity of these electric vehicles, okay, in the how it is regulating the world economy, okay. So they said it will be for lithium blocks. China had okay sitting over of whole world economy supposed to be expected, okay, in the 21st century. What will be the action and reaction of the okay other world economic powers, okay, Britain, France, Japan, Germany? What will do? Okay, Japan, China has already blocked, okay, almost all the major lithium mines in the African and other parts of the world. Okay, so then about the economy of developing countries. Then what about to India? This must be addressed properly, because we must concentrate on major population, okay, in the world, which as they are staying in the developing countries, okay, and poor countries. So we must think particularly the researchers must think about these countries, as the Western and your South Asian majors, they are fighting with each other. Okay. So this electric vehicle and particularly this lithium, okay, material. Then what will be the action and reaction of the research? How, okay, you must work to benefit the, okay, common peoples in terms of efficiency, in terms of cost of the electric, okay. So in terms of advancements, okay, how to bring the social change, all the things, all these questions are, okay. So I mean confusing the researchers. Do they contribute to other world war similar to the nuclear war? Means this is also this question also striking in the research mind, that if I will work in the electric vehicles, okay, so as the means the world leaders are fighting with each other to acquire the technology, okay, so it can be a, okay, a world economic war. So can I be the part of that? Okay, then what about climate change issues, which is, okay, which motivation for the researchers, for which they are working so hard to bring the technology, okay, for the benefit of the mankind. So these questions, okay, is all really confusing. Then I will return back to the previous slide. What about India? What about economy of developed countries? Okay, so they have already started thinking that how to isolate themselves from this means economic war with respect to electric vehicle technology. So the think tanks and researchers from the developing countries, including India, so they are concentrating their research not, okay, more on, okay, this means this hydrogen fuel cells. This will be on wheel generating, okay, generation capability or capacity, okay, which will be means different from the ongoing war, lithium war, okay, and it will be helpful for the to control the to address the climatic issues, okay, and no way they can disagree the world economic powers. So the next generation research in electric vehicles should not be on electric motors, because already 4 or 5 motors what we have seen, okay, it is sufficient to give the torque speed characteristics as required by the by an electric vehicles. Okay, the main focus must be on how to generate electrical power, okay, and how to store it properly, okay, in the system, and how to regulate it appropriately, and so that we can isolate technology from the the geopolitical war going on, okay, with reference to electric batteries, particularly with lithium ion batteries. So this is up to you. So where to concentrate? So regarding the controller energy management, this is already okay. So well developed, well grown technology is available, okay, for battery charging, battery power management. So this is all right. Motors already okay, it is saturated. So now our focus for the researchers, our focus should be on okay hydrogen fuel cells, okay, not on the lithium ion batteries, because we belong to the research, we belongs to the developing countries, okay, so we must concentrate on hydrogen fuel cells. Now that is regarding the history of these electric vehicles and some issues I have discussed. Now coming to the topic, okay, so electric motors. So most significant motor for these electric vehicles is the DC series motor, because DC electric vehicles not new in. We have the the traction the electric vehicles for traction systems, okay, that is the tram systems. From last 100 years we are using electric vehicles over here in India, okay, but when we are talking about electric vehicles, so means we think that we must which will replace the IC engine vehicles, that is bus, cars, and bikes, and so electric your electric buses, okay, so heavy vehicles and light vehicles. So this is series motor has more appropriate, is known in every engineers, that DC series motor is most appropriate. Then because high starting torque capability, okay, is most important characteristics of DC series motor, okay. So but main drawback is the high maintenance due to brushes and commutators. And this motor can withstand sudden okay increase in the load due to its characteristics, this hyperbolical characteristic, torque speed characteristics. Then this brushless DC motor was invented based on its efficiency and brushless, so which was okay supposed to replace this DC series motors, but it will be applicable for light vehicles, heavy vehicles. This was in picture by the researchers, permanent magnet synchronous motors. So they have controlled the permanent magnet synchronous motors. Okay, so it is similar to for electric vehicle application, but it is similar to that of this DC motor. Actually, are wave shapes. In one case, it was okay. Sinusoidal. In other case, it was sinusoidal. Okay, but in this case, permanent PMSM, it was trapezoidal back. But the recent development, researchers have found that three-phase induction motor can be the best replacement for DC motors, but with fixed frequency, fixed voltage operations. We will have to go for this characteristic. Induction motor not have a high static like DC series motors under fixed voltage and fixed frequency operations. But this can be using various control techniques like field-oriented control methods. In this center, I'm going to justify this statement mathematically that how field-oriented control mechanism, okay, can change the characteristics of torque speed characteristics. Okay, in case of machines, okay, how the field-oriented control mechanism can change the torque speed characteristics, okay, so of a three-phase induction motors. So as we know that this is the robust industrial motor. 90% of industrial load is okay on the three-phase induction machines and means in particular, and induction machines in general due to its robustness. And if it is squirrel case type of machines or one rotor type of machines, okay, so efficiency almost where we can have the efficient motors where we can achieve 90 to 95% okay efficiency, and it is okay more or less comparable with efficiency of brushless DC motors. As I have told you that these brushless DC motors and permanent magnet synchronous motors, it is best suitable for light vehicles, small vehicles, okay. So but for the large means systems, electric vehicle systems, and which is used in the okay, so heavy vehicles, so that requires the three-phase induction motors. But drawback was it able to provide high starting torque, okay, or torque means the type of torque required, okay, for the heavy vehicles are on road. Then researchers has found that so if you will go for field-oriented control mechanism, that is vector control mechanisms, then it is possible to change the characteristics of three-phase induction motors. Okay, so as already we have the efficient motors in the market. So this point I am going to justify you that how this statement is true. Now coming to the mathematical modeling of the three-phase induction machines, this equation represents the dq axis stator and rotor flux model equations for three-phase induction motor. Okay, so where I have written the flux equations not using any integrations, okay, or not using any integrators, only using the measured values of stator and rotor currents with the knowledge of the magnetizing inductance and leak inductances. This equation number 1. So can you hear me? सुनाई दे रहा है? थोड़ा सुनाई दे रहा है ना वहाँ पे? हाँ हाँ, ठीक ठीक। So with the knowledge of leakage inductance and mutual inductance, so the equations of stator and rotor phase induction expressed in equation number 1. Assuming no leakage flux, okay, it is leakage proof machine. So this column, okay, will be reduced to 0 because this LLS will equate to 0. Then we can redefine, okay, we can redefine the equation number 1 which is, okay, as we are neglecting, okay, the leakage flux. So this represents the leakage flux, okay. So that if we neglect, so this is equation number 1 will be reduced to equation number 2. Now the DQ axis voltage model equation, okay, can be expressed, okay, as VDS equal to RS IDS plus lambda, okay, d by dt lambda ds minus omega e lambda qs. Omega e is over here, okay. So omega e is the stator frequency, voltage and flux frequency, okay, state. Okay. So then RS is the stator resistance. Okay. So lambda d lambda d this dr lambda qr is rotor axis flux. LM inductance, okay, to extend, okay. So yes, idea. Then IQS, are there stator and rotor currents may be measured. Now VQ QC stator voltage can be expressed as RS IQS plus d by dt lambda QS plus omega lambda ds. Okay, it is given in equation number 3. Now at state, the second factor of in the voltage equation, at a steady state, the second factor in the voltage equation will be reduced to 0. Okay, this is a transient phenomenon. Okay, at the steady state, when lambda ds and lambda qs will be, okay, dc, then d by dt of lambda ds and lambda qs will be reduced to 0, and we can neglect the RS IDS and RS IQS in comparison to VDS and VQS, because this VDS and VQS are the rate voltages, and RS IDS the IQS are the, okay, D axis or D model and Q model. Okay, sector voltage will be very important, or maximum 2%. In comparison to the D axis Q axis.
Why is it not coming right now? Hello? Sir, your voice is not coming. Okay. Uh, so today evening, we have SN Deepa Madam slot. Okay. So in that point, as because Deepa Madam father has expired, so she has requested me to shift his slot to tomorrow from 2 o'clock to 3:30 or something like that, and after that the test session will be organized. Okay, but yes, I feel Sir is now online. I feel.
Omega
Sir,
E
what?
minus omega E lambda QS. Yes. Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear
Now
me?
it's okay, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's okay. Now it's
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So lambda QS, okay. We can orient the stator flux along D axis. You can orient along Q axis. Okay, no problem. So generally, okay. So if we orient the stator flux along D axis, so Q component will be reduced to 0. If Q component of the stator flux will be reduced to 0, so Vs equal to 0. And d-axis stator flux will be the total stator flux, okay, and hence VQS in equation number 4 will be omega E into lambda S, represented in equation number 6. Means I'm trying to means
So dear participants, as because there is some network issue, as you all know, and I can't request again and again. It is not good actually. That's why okay. So SN Deepa madam's presentation is being postponed, or you can say it's been rescheduled to tomorrow. So the evening means your evening session. I'll be presenting you. I'll be there to present you actually. And my session will be starting from your. I feel it will start from 2:30 to. Okay, so it will start from. I will tell you the exact timing. Okay, my session most probably will start from 3 o'clock or something like that. 3 o'clock to 4:30. Okay, now. So my session will start from 3 o'clock to 4:30, and after this session, again we are having Professor Tapos Kumar Saha from NIT Durgapur, and that session will be starting from I feel 11 o'clock. Okay, 11 o'clock to 12:30. This session actually there was some tremendous network issues, so I really apologize to you on everyone's behalf actually. Uh, but the session contents were really good, but somehow due to some network issues and these things happens actually in online FDP. Um, so that's the problem actually. Just wait for
Can
5 minutes because most of
you hear me?
hello, yes, anyone?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Okay.
But the PPT is not there now, sir. PPT is not visible now, sir.
PPT is visible?
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir. PPT is not visible now, sir.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay. I'm again sharing.
Okay, okay, sir, okay, sir. No problem, sir. We do understand because in online FDP, sir, this problem happens actually, sir. And network issue is bound to happen actually in some cases.
Now, please check.
Yes, sir. PPT, yes, sir. It's showing that PPT is starting to share actually. It
Please check
hasn't shared
PPT.
now. No, sir, PPT is not visible now. Is it visible to other participants? PPT?
No, sir.
No, no, sir, no.
No, no. Okay, 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 okay. Even my one actually is showing that US means Dr. AK Paridha is starting to share content actually, but the content is not visible because the net connection. This is the problem with the net connection actually. No issue. It will take a little bit of time. No problem with that. I just said I feel we'll have to close the means PPT, and we'll have to again share it, sir. Actually, because the PPT is not visible, sir.
Check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it came, sir. Now it came, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's clearly visible. Yes, sir. The PPT is visible, sir. Visible, sir. Visible, visible. Yes, sir. The PPT is visible, sir. Visible. Yes, sir.
Okay. Person is used to. So we okay. We implemented okay. Equal to
Yes, sir. Her voice is not coming actually.
to take you. Plus BQSI okay. The advantages of this is blended opportunity to get that field oriented to get to that is induction motors, three-phase induction, which is not permanent magnet, equivalent torque characteristics of a DC motor making. The making. The
Okay, so over to the participants now. If anyone do have any questions, then they can ask to sir.
is supposed to be the breaking. Okay.
Anyone from the
Here it is
participant side,
possible with
if they want to ask question, then they can ask sir.
Yes. What is the question he is typing?
Sir,
Question is typing.
chat box actually no one has typed any question. Okay, okay, no.
Sir, good morning.
Yes, someone is asking sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Chandrasekhar.
Sir, while we are doing research in the area of electric vehicle, is it possible for us to get in touch with you, sir? Can I get some help from you?
Yes. Yes, Chandrasekhar, please repeat your question once, sir.
Sir, I am doing. Sir, I am doing research in electric vehicle.
Yes.
In future, if I have any queries or doubts, is it possible for me to get in touch with the sir for getting help?
Yeah, okay. Sir, Chandrasekhar is saying that that he is doing research in electric vehicle. Okay, sir. So now, if he has any query or if he requires any help, is it possible for you to get in touch with? Means is it possible for him to get in touch with you in future, sir? In future, he's asking.
Yes, and one thing you please sir do,
Okay.
you can share my email.
So if there will be some minor questions
And give timing of 2 days. question. So if it is so electrology,
Sir, you please switch off your microphone so that yeah. Because my phone is connected, sir. So your is audible from this side also, sir. Yes, sir. That's why the voice is echoing. Sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ID. Okay, if anybody have any question, any participant have any questions, they can give me a 2-line mail. So I will immediately since it is not audible. Okay, so this way we can manage.
Another participant, Dr. Nitin Solanki. Okay, I feel he is from Symbiosis Technology. So he had asked you, sir, what is the latest status and position on research in fuel cell technology? What is the latest status and position on research in fuel cell technology? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, it is the beginning on it is in the lab grade still because we are trying to so after so and it is not commercialized separately. So after when it will be available in the market, then question will be more clear.
Okay. Yes.
We are using for this purpose. This electric your fuel cells is used. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the status.
You know, anyone from participant side, do you have any question? Another one, I feel his name is Siddharth Sarvesachi. He is asking you, sir, is drone technology included in EV technology? I don't know what he's trying to ask, sir. Whether you can understand it, I really don't know. Sir, is drone technology is included in EV technology?
Hello, sir. So my doubt, I'm Siddharth Sabharji. So my doubt is, can we include the drone technology in EV? Because again,
Yes. Sabasati, please tell Sabasati what you are trying to ask.
so my question is, drone technology also we can make it the electric vehicle because battery system is included as well as if you want we can use that fuel technology also, fuel cell technology or any
Okay.
solar technology also. So can we include that in EV in say in that EV part? Can we consider it?
No,
Okay.
except your so their technology is more or less similar. They are okay. It is their mechanical output is different. So here it is your frictional system. So there it will be wind friction. Okay. So frictional power will be with a bigger okay. So frictional component of the torque. Okay. In case of electric vehicle,
Hi.
Yes. Okay. Dynamics is more or less the same converter.
Hi Dave. Hi Dave.
Okay. So more or less.
Okay. Another student, sorry, another participant, sorry, because here everyone is faculty member and they are good, means in good position actually. So one of the faculty member, I feel he is in military engineering service, I feel. His name is Amit. So he has asked you, sir, please throw some light on use of artificial intelligence in EV area.
I'm working on that. So in the artificial intelligence, I can utilize. Okay. So yes, just I have to here I have to just show, okay, that a field-oriented control can change the characteristics. Okay. So this was my focal point. It can change the characteristics of induction machines. So when you go to the artificial intelligence, okay, technology controllers in picture without artificial intelligence.
Is the voice coming, participant?
Okay. So it will be there. It will be application is there in electric vehicles. Huge applications in while designing the controller. You can utilize when you estimate the speed. Okay. So after position, then control for everything you need the intelligence system. Okay. And then you can say your visibility, okay, sensor. Okay. So you need the signals and processing of the signals. So for everything you need concentrating on that. Okay. So I am not going deep into the control. Okay. So it is application is there. Many papers are available. They can go through it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And moreover, Dr. Amit, I feel artificial intelligence is present everywhere. Okay, now, in order to estimate the battery state of charge, or might be in order to do your anything. Means if you in PWM also, suppose in an battery operated vehicle, you have a inverter, or might be you have a converter also, isn't it? So in order to switch the converter, you need PWM pulses. So if suppose you are using your selective harmonic elimination topology, or might be space vector PWM topology, there also you need it. Okay. Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir.
If you have the
Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. So anyone from the participant side, if they are having any query, then ask, sir. I understand because there is some network issue and all. This problem is getting created, but still, it was a very nice session from sir, full of content. But okay, yes, there was a little bit problem with the network, so the voice was not clear actually. Okay, but the contents were amazing. Okay, when sir has talked about your field-oriented control, sir has talked about your direct torque control topology. Sir has talked about that what an electric motor needs to be, means what are the characteristics an electric motor must have, which will make it suitable for an electric vehicular application. Okay, now, so those all important points were discussed properly. Okay, so now I would like to request, sir, means I will like to uh, means thank you, sir. Thank you for being present with us, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. So it was a very nice session, and thanks to all the dear participants also that means for being with us for such a long period of time. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
আমার সাউন্ডটা ক্লিয়ার আছে না? Okay. So in the next session, we are having Professor Tapos Kumar Saha from NIT Durgapur. Okay, Aida says session was very nice actually. Okay, it was full of content. Everything was on the way actually. Okay, so the next term we are having Professor Tapos Kumar Saha from NIT Durgapur. Okay, now. So this one, I feel you are Amit actually. So AI is used in everywhere actually. Okay, now if you go in mechanical engineering, or suppose if you are having any kind of thing actually means selective harmonic elimination (PWM), selective harmonic elimination (PWM), or you can have your space vector (PWM). Okay, now so in any kind of PWM technique, you can use artificial intelligence. Fine, nah? And there are different subcomputing techniques. Okay, you can use different subcomputing techniques also. Okay, like the B colony algorithm and colony algorithm. Okay, there is particle swarm optimization. There is genetic algorithm. And nowadays, Professor Kalyan Maidev, okay, he's an eminent one, and he's having a citation. Okay, so I feel Tapos Kumar Saha sir will join in few minutes. So this is the end of this session. These few things, this vector control or direct torque control, or what a motor needs to be actually in order to be very much suitable for electric vehicle application. These few things I will discuss in my session actually, which will start from 3 o'clock in the evening. Right now, so I feel in that session these things will be clear to you all, and moreover you all are very knowledgeable. You all means know very well, and the questions which you asked actually were very good and very relevant, I would say actually. Okay, and in spite of this internet hitches, you people stayed there, you people stayed with me, so thanks for that one. Thanks for your kind support. Okay, so till then, stay tuned for the next session, which is going to start in few minutes. Thank you.